Okay, first hit Tab on your keyboard, and that is most likely going to fix your problem. But if it didn't, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to help you bring back some windows that you might be missing in Adobe Illustrator. All right, let's get started. Okay, so as I just mentioned, hit Tab, and that should bring all your windows back. Tab is a nice way to be able to see the whole canvas if you've got, windows and stuff in the way. That'll just toggle it off and on. Now, if that doesn't work, try hitting the Escape key. This is the one in the far upper left of your keyboard. And what this does, if you somehow manage to put Illustrator in presentation mode, this is what you'll see. So all you have to do to get out of that is hit Escape, and you'll get right back to normal. If that doesn't work, hit the F key, just F with no shift or anything, just the letter F between the D and the G a few times. And this will toggle through a bunch of different views. But Escape should also return that to the one where you can see the name of your artwork that you're working on. Now you might have all your other toolbars and everything, but you're just missing this top bar up here. To get that back, all you need to do is go to Window, Control, right here. And this bar up here changes based on what you have selected, so it's really useful. If you're missing some of your windows over here, those are all located under this window menu. If you've set up a workspace in the past, you can also go to Window, Workspace, and then choose the one you want. Then go back to Window, Workspace, and reset A, or whatever you've named it. And this puts all of my windows back into the way I saved them. That's something to think about too. If you like your windows a certain way and you're always trying to move them back to that way, just get it the way you want, then go to Window, Workspace. You can go to New Workspace and save that workspace, and then you can always find it at the top here and then reset it here. If you want to know more about how to set up a workspace and how all these panels work and snap together and all that, you can find that at the top of your screen right now. Now, if nothing else is working and Illustrator is just still acting really weird, you'll probably want to reset your preferences. Now, keep in mind when you reset them, you'll be resetting everything back to its default settings. So if you've made any changes to your interface and gotten things the way you want them, it will erase that. But it doesn't erase your workspaces, so that's nice. To reset your preferences, you'll want to quit Illustrator. So you can hit Command Q or Control Q on your keyboard. Then restart it. And while you do, hold Shift, Option, and Command, or Shift, Alt, Control on a PC. And that will reset Illustrator back to its default settings. As you can see, I've got dark mode on, so I'll need to reset that in my preferences. So I'll hit Command K. I'll come down here to User Interface and choose the lightest one. And then there are probably other preferences you'll need to set up as you go. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Alright, I'll see you next week with another video. Thank you!